Hey, it's Carmen again. I just really wanted to talk about things that are simple with you. Kind of just to do a little recap. Think about it. This business is simple. We're not talking about having your future customers buy anything. They're already buying it. Energy. And all the customers that you and I both know usually buy energy every day and pay for it month after month after month. Most of them unconsciously go for the lesser amount. Think about it. If they go to the grocery store, they'll buy the eggs that cost less. If they go to the gas station, now gas prices have come down. If it's the same gas at the same gas station, one is $2.50, one is $2.55, they're going to buy the gas that's cheaper. Over the summer, when gas prices were really high, they do the same thing. And that's exactly what we're talking about. We're talking about supplying gas at a more cost-effective price and supplying electricity at a more cost-effective price. Did I even mention to you that these customers are going to have the same meter readers? They call the same company right now that's supplying their gas and or electricity, so that if there's a problem with their gas or a problem with a downed wire, they call the same people. We are just the supplier. This is pretty simple. This is a no-brainer. So now let's talk about you. Maybe you were downsized from your job. Maybe you were an older person who's been downsized and now you can't get a job because it's harder in the market, maybe because of your age. Maybe you retired, but you're looking for an extra income because now your 401k's crashed and it's hard now, wondering where your future's going to be. Maybe you're just coming out of college and it's really hard to find a job and you like technology and computers. What a great thing! Look how I'm coming to you. Or maybe you're a mom and you wanted an extra income, but you didn't want to leave the house. Again, this would work. Or maybe you're a guy and you wanted an extra income to help provide more for the family. This is pretty simple. Again, we're talking about energy, something that everyone uses and pays for month after month after month. So to make it simple, pick up your phone or email me and let's start together and I'll show you how to make it simple and we'll build a team together. I'll talk to you soon.